protects domestic and international financing of the public education. The pandemic has the power to undermine several decades of advances. National governments, international organizations, and all education and development partners must recognize the need of strengthened public health and social service, but simultaneously mobilize around the protection of public educations and its financing systems. Most important thing is that advance global solidarity to end current level of inequalities. COVID-19 has shown us the extent to which our society exploit power imbalance and our global system exploit inequalities. The Commission calls for the renewed communities to international cooperations and multilateralism together with the revitalized global solidarity that has empathy and the protections of the common humanity and its codes. COVID-19 presents us with the real challenge and the real responsibility too for all of us. These actions invite international debates, engagement, and actions by the governments, international organizations, civil society, educational professionals, as well as learners and stakeholders at all levels. We are using technology through the artificial intelligence and the virtual reality and lots of interrelated technology for the development of technology transfers and tools. So the situation we face is so dramatic and difficult that we cannot afford to be the pessimists. We are facing the biggest change in education since public schooling emerged in the 19th century. The urgency of improving on the world that was before present us all with a real challenge and responsibilities. We must build narratives for what the new reality could look like. We have to nourish the source that give us hope for the rethinking how the world works. Education need to be at the heart of a post-COVID-19 world. For that future, we need boldness of the thoughts and courageous action now. Tough time never lasts, but tough peoples do. Keep improving your Mother Nature's and our Mother Nature without depletions, especially land, air, water, sky. Only these things is the real good for all of us. Because without this, even we are not able to survive single minute or single second at this beautiful world. So keep contributing for the nation developments and continent development through the global innovation, peace, prosperity developments, Commonwealth Vocational University, congratulating to all awardees and participants with the word, stay healthy, safe and secure. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.